Aloha everyone and welcome to Science Methods. I'm Katrina Rossler. I am the professor for this course. Looking forward to working with you this semester. I wanted to give you a little introduction to the course and let you know how to navigate what's going on. Hopefully when you started you opened this homepage and you clicked on this link that went to the course introduction, takes you to the video that hopefully you're watching right now. What you need to know about this course is that it is divided into modules, and the easiest way to navigate the course is through the module tab. There are several modules that are ungraded, like the introductory information, and we'll go through that in just a second. But we are going to be using Google Drive specifically for this course. Therefore, if you're unfamiliar with how Google Drive works, you might find this module particularly helpful. Also, Science Methods is an O&P required course. You need to complete 5 hours of O&P during this term, and if this is the first time you've done O&P, there are multiple files here that will help you kind of navigate the O&P situation. But first and foremost, you need to request O&P. If you are already working in a school, you need to complete this as well as the in-house agreement form. That way, the field services director, Kathy Nishimura, can help you navigate getting assigned to the appropriate school that is in your in the area there where you want to work or observe and participate. Okay. As I said before, navigation is easiest through the modules. Each module has multiple assignments and activities, as well as links to different information that will help you navigate the course. This course is divided up into 2 sections. The first section is focused specifically on science practices. So for those of you that are unfamiliar with scientific practices, or maybe feel that science is not kind of really your thing, hopefully we can alleviate some of that anxiety in the first couple weeks by engaging in a small investigation that looks at water quality. Coming back up here into the introductory materials, you probably want to know what is expected in the course. So there's a link to the syllabus, which is embedded, but this is also through Google Drive, so that you can look at what's expected and what the course learning outcomes are, as well as alignment to the Marianist values and the Native Hawaiian values. The piece that you'll probably find most interesting is how you're going to be graded, as well as the assignments and how those are broken up. So as indicated, the first part of the course is focused primarily on scientific activities, and the second half of the course is really applying those scientific activities into a unit plan and how you might actually teach science. Going back to the modules, course materials. There is no required text for this course. However, we are going to be doing a water quality investigation. And in order for you to do a water quality investigation, you're going to have some sort of water quality test. In the course materials page, there is a list of a variety of different tests that you might consider. Any one of these would be acceptable. You will be taught how to use these materials, as well as what these tests actually mean during week 3 and 4 of the course. But in order for you to actually test the quality of the water, you're going to actually have to have these tools, or one of these tools, prior to that assignment. So take a little bit of time, think about what it is that you're interested in doing. If you are not intimidated by this idea of scientific investigations, maybe consider purchasing a multi-test kit. By purchasing a multi-test kit, you can run a variety of different experiments, but also you can hold on to this kit for future use in your classroom. I look forward to working with you this semester. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about the course, and I'll see you online. Aloha.